Hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to my wood shop. What would you do in this scenario? My nephew came to me and told me that he needed a TV stand and 2 nightstands. He asked, what would be better? Would it be better for me to buy the furniture kits that comes in a box and that you assemble yourself? Or would it be better to make these pieces of furniture in my wood shop? He gave me a price of the furniture kits that come in a box, and I told him for about the same amount of money you could buy the plywood and the hardwood, the stain, the clear top coat, and so forth, and make it yourself. The only difference would be is that you have to spend time in my wood shop working with me in order to make these. And then he told me, well, I've been wanting to improve my woodworking skills anyhow. So at that point I made it very obvious, very clear what to do. So we went to our local Menards, we bought some maple plywood and some maple boards and the finish that he needed, the stain that he needed, and then brought it back to my wood shop and started working. And over the next 7 days, we built the 3 pieces of furniture that he wanted, with some help from a couple of his friends also. And I'll say that made it really nice and enjoyable for me myself, because usually I work here in the shop by myself, and it's really nice having some extra people in my wood shop because we get to laugh and joke around and just have a good time as we're making this furniture. And also it's very rewarding for me to see young people wanting to improve their woodworking skills. So it was all around a good experience for me, and hopefully it was a good experience for them too. And at the end of the 7 days, my nephew had his TV stand and 2 nightstands. He took them home. He seemed very happy with the results of the furniture, of making the furniture. And he also seemed very happy just making the furniture here in the shop too. He seemed to enjoy it. And I did see some of his woodworking skills improve over those 7 days. Now when people come in my wood shop, I don't like to put a camera in front of their face, so I did not videotape the whole process. But I did take some still photos. So here's a slideshow of the 7 days that my nephew was working with me in my wood shop, making his TV stand and 2 nightstands. And I hope you enjoy this slideshow.